Hello viewers, welcome back to Tech Handsome BD. In this video, I am going to give you review about Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra has a 14-inch 3:2 display and it is also the company's first Ultra tablet. Another first is that it uses the X-Ring 01, a chipset that is designed in-house by Xiaomi and is shared by the Xiaomi's 15S Pro. Meet the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. It is quite different from its siblings, the Xiaomi Pad 7 and Pad 7 Pro, which have 11.2-inch IPS LCDs. The Ultra has a 14-inch OLED panel that is twice as bright. It renders 12-bit colors and HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support. It has a resolution of 3200 x 2136 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Viewers, there are three configurations available: 12GB or 256GB, 12GB or 512GB, and 16GB or 1TB. These use LPDDR5T RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. The Pad 7 Ultra is made of aluminum alloy with reinforcement ribs to keep it stiff. It's slimmer than its siblings at 5.1mm but weighs around more than 609 grams. Inside a 12,000 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging. The USB-C port offers USB 3.2 Generation 2 speeds. Other connectivity features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and even an IR blaster so that you can control things around the house. There is a fingerprint reader built into the power button on the side. The top side is magnetic attachment and charging point for the optional stylus. Additionally, there is a magnesium alloy keyboard available if you want more laptop-like experience. It has customized keycaps, 13 function keys, and sensitive pressure touchpad. The tablet runs HyperOS 2, which integrates well with the Apple ecosystem, supports the Apple Office document formats, and Xiaomi says it is ready for PC level of use as it is preloaded with an Office suite of apps, a CAD app on more. The tablet runs Xiaomi HyperOS 2, which integrates well with the Apple ecosystem. It supports the Apple Office document format, and Xiaomi says it is ready for PC level of use as it is preloaded with an Office suite apps, a CAD app and more. The tablet has 4 groups of speaker, bass plus tweeter pairs for a total of 8 speakers with large 16.5cc chambers and Dolby Atmos support. Above the OLED layer is Gorilla Glass 5. Optionally, this can have a nano texture that reduces reflectivity. One not so great change is that the Ultra display has a notch. There is a single 32-megapixel camera on there. The rear camera has a 50-megapixel sensor. The tablet is powered by X-Ring 01, which is fabbed on a 2nd generation 3nm node. It has a 10-core CPU with prime cores reaching 3.7 GHz. So viewers, that's all about Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. Hope this video helped you to know in-depth information about this smart tab. Friends, if you like the video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you.